do not open yourself up to the opposite sex. Kasi there is such a thing as emotional cheating. So it doesn't have to be like cheating with you physically, nagkikita sila and something's going on, but yung mga exchanges, flirting, sharing yung mga problems. Okay lang naman mag-share ng problems, 'di ba? Pero it's in those vulnerable moments, malaking chance na mag-fall ang isa sa inyo. Or worse, pareho kayo. Please protect yourself by not sharing those intimate details of your life with the opposite sex. Diyan pumapasok yung magiging marupok kayong dalawa dahil nagkakaintindihan na kayo. Kasi nga, it creates an emotional bond which could lead to an emotional affair. Ayaw mo rin naman na gawin yun ng asawa mo sa iba, na meron pang babae na mas nakakaintindi sa feelings niya more than you. Don't open that door. Even if you feel like yung sharing is just to vent, wag na lang. May mga ibang kaibigan ka naman siguro. Emotional cheating, emotional affairs happen left and right. Protect your marriage. Don't go there.